if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to take you guys with me as I prepared my frontal. This unit was sent to me from Ishow Hair Company, so all of the information on the unit will be in the description box. But I just want to tell you guys, this unit was a breeze to install because of the fact that the unit came pre-plucked. And honestly, okay, a lot of times when units say they come pre-plucked, I do appreciate it because it does help me in the process. And why would my phone have to go off? Anyway, it does help me in the process, but I normally have to still pluck a little bit, but y'all, this time I did not have to pluck anything, so that is why it's not included in this video. Don't think that I just didn't want to include it. No, I did not pluck this unit, so that's why it's not included. Anything that I did will be in this video. So yeah, also if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look and how I styled the hair, then be sure to click the link in the description box to take you to that video.
Oh no, tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no, yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah, I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. Oh no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now. Yeah. Don't leave, wait a minute. Let me make up for the wrongs I did. I'm just a human, I admit it. What will it take for you to forgive me? Forgive me. If you decide to leave, you would help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you would give me another chance. Oh, whoa. So tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now, oh, can we find love? Can we go back? All I want is to love you, yeah, start all over. Tell me now, tell me now. All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now. I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, night, night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah. Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, 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 I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. You're moving closer, I feel the heat. Hands on your chest, you're all I want. Now keep me warm, just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, and you can have it all. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we missed a
out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, follow me on Instagram at Michaela Michelle, and stay blessed.